Hey everyone, I'm Josh Rackauer. I'm the undergraduate experience librarian here at Western. Today we're going to show off one of the more fun items we have here in the library, the GoPro Fusion. It's a 360 camera, as you can tell. So I'm going to strap it to my dog and do a little tour of the library. So Karma, this is my dog Karma, and I'm going to strap this GoPro to her. All right. All right. Shall we? So right now we're here over by the circulation desk. So we can walk over by here, and now we're going to go past the Scholar's Studio. I'm going to show that off in another video. And we're going to head over to the reference desk. That's normally where we would have one of our librarians stationed, but we're classes are over right now, so we're hanging a little loose. Right now here we are by the computers, which is right over by the reference section. So this is where we keep all our different encyclopedias and handbooks, all sorts of fun stuff like that. We have our newspaper section over here, all sorts of in-print newspapers, a lot of fun. Go check that out. Some of our little study booths. Carmen, you wanna jump up? Good girl, so you can see what those study booths look like. All right. See, back to reference over here. Now we're going to head over to our media section. We got all sorts of different DVDs, Blu-rays, audio, CDs. So lots of cool stuff here. I've definitely looked through a few of these, watched a few while I've been quarantining. There we go. Check some more of that out. Going to keep walking down here. This is we have our, I don't know if you can see it, but we have our microfilm stations. These cabinets right over here. See these big old gray cabinets? You might always think what's in there. Microfilm. Lots and lots of microfilm. So move on down this way. There's more study areas. Little study nooks over here. We're going to head over to the map section of the library, which is kind of neat. A lot of folks don't realize we have a lot of maps over here and a few globes as well. But so you can't really see them, so I'm going to lift her up. Karma, stay. She's not liking this, but we can see all the different maps over here in the map section. Good girl, Karma. I know. All right, moving up. So let's keep going. We're going to head over to the bound periodicals. So those are things like journals. So normally, you guys see those in a lot of our databases. They also print them as well, and we keep a lot of those in our bound periodical section. So lots and lots and lots of bound journals. And more study corrals. And next we're going to head over to one of my favorite spots in the library, the leisure reading section. That's where we keep all of our different like books that we buy for fun. So a lot of neat stuff over there. So it's just, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but it's that little corral right there. I really love these shelves. They were custom made. They're really cool. So you can see all sorts of fun stuff here. Karma, why don't you come in so we can get a, just like really show off the 360 stuff. Karma, no. Make Karma. Good girl. You can kind of get a 360 view right here of the leisure reading section. All right, well, that's the main floor of the library. We're going to do a couple more of these.